In this video, I will guide you on how to set TCL air conditioner remote control for cooling. So if your TCL air conditioner is not working properly or it is not cooling, here are some settings you want to check on your TCL air conditioner remote control to fix the problem. First things first, you want to make sure that you do have good batteries on your TCL air conditioner remote controls, and you want to go ahead and just open up the battery pack just like so, and then confirm that you actually do have good batteries on your TCL air conditioner remote control. Once you've been able to confirm that, the next thing you want to do is to make sure that your TCL air conditioner remote control is in cooling mode. The TCL air conditioner remote control comes with different modes, and by default, the cooling mode should be enabled, indicated with this icon at the top of the TCL air conditioner remote control over here. Currently it is in the cooling mode, but if you tap on this mode button over here, now we get to the dry mode with this icon at the top over here. And then if you tap on this mode button again, now we get to the fan mode. So this is basically the fan mode. And if you tap on the mode button again, we are going to get to the heating mode. And finally, if you tap on the mode button again, we get to the automatic mode, and then again you are going to get to the cooling mode. So make sure that the cooling mode is actually enabled on your TCL AC remote control in order for you to get the best cooling from your TCL AC unit. Now another thing you want to do is to make sure that you have the highest fan speed, and you can see the fan button over here at the center of this round button. We basically have 5 to 6 fan mode, which is indicated with this bar over here just below the AC temperature. Mine, as you can see, is currently full, so you want to make sure that your fan speed is at the maximum. So if I tap on it once, you're going to see that we get to the turbo mode, but you do not want the turbo mode, so tap on the fan speed again. Currently you can see that it is set to the automatic mode, going from 0 to the maximum by itself. But then you want to go ahead and tap on the fan speed one more time, tap on it again, tap on it again, continue to just tap on it until you get to the maximum fan speed, which is basically this one over here. Now finally, you also want to reduce the temperature of your TCL AC using the temperature up and the temperature down button to your desired cooling temperature. So you can actually reduce the temperature of your TCL AC all the way down to 16, but this is going to make the room very cold. You can also choose to increase the temperature slightly higher to make it a little bit cold without making your room freezing. So you can either reduce or increase the temperature of your TCL AC, but just keep in mind that the more you reduce it, the more cooler your TCL AC is going to be. And I hope this was helpful. Please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.